Hey guys, what's up? It's Fritz. So today's a really exciting tutorial and I'm going to teach you guys how to wash your hair in the shower, and it's very simple. All you need to do when you jump into the shower is you need to have a nice white tooth comb like this, your shampoo and your conditioner, and the very first step is when you get into the shower is you want to comb all your hair back as it is. And I'm going to grab the hand shower here and you're going to turn on the water, make sure all your hair is combed back, and rinse all your hair back in one direction. Now what you want to do, you want to grab a little bit of shampoo, just a little bit of shampoo, like this, comb all the hair back. Make sure that you comb the hair back in one direction, and using your tooth comb very nicely, make sure all the hair is combed in one direction in order to take out if you do have any tangles in your hair. And what this will do is it will truly help to clean up the hair. And of course you can then go ahead and clean up the sides of your hair and come right back again, hold the hand shower. Right, and wash all the hair in one direction very neatly. Step one. Step two, you're going to repeat again. I'm going to grab some conditioner. Go back again with the conditioner. Comb it in right through. Take your tooth comb, don't forget about your tooth comb, and really comb the conditioner right through the hair, all the way right through the back. And like I said, if you can notice what I'm doing is I'm just combing the hair in one direction so that the hair feels soft and clean. And now what you could do is, if you like, is you can go ahead and shampoo your body and clean up the rest of your body and probably leave that conditioner in for about a minute or two. And clearly, since this is a short tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and in one direction rinse all that conditioner right out of the hair, and that's it. Take that out. Alright guys, that's as simple as it is. As soon as you come out of the shower, what you then want to do is again grab the white tooth comb, make sure that all the hair is combed back in one direction. Grab a white towel. Alright, I'm just going to quickly grab a white towel from here, and using your white towel, do not rub on your hair. All you're then going to do is you're just going to towel dry your hair in one direction, making sure all the water is out. And keeping it as clean as possible. And then you come out of the shower again, grab your white tooth comb back, and use your blow dryer and style as desired. Alright, I hope this tutorial has helped you guys, and I look forward to more tutorials to help you guys out with your day-to-day cares with the hair system. Thanks.